So I put it together and make one of those little cheese chip. They're called cheese chips. Put some spray on here. Put the cheese on here. I set it like at 350. Actually, I should have put it on 400. But we'll see what happens. Supposed to put some cheese on a little spot. And put a little seasoning on it too. Garlic powder. And Parmesan cheese on top. I didn't bring my spatula up here, so I'm kind of using a fork. Man, I've got a little knife in case I just have to do something different. So it is cooking. I don't know if you can hear it cooking, but it is cooking. And I should have started at a higher temperature, but I started at a lower temperature. But spread some of that seasoning across the top of there. And I should run downstairs and get my spatula. I don't want to hurt myself going down there to get it. Let's see. I probably should though. Seriously. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I made it back just in time. Okay, let's see here. Moving around. I'm gonna be able to flip it over without messing it up. So I looked on there and said like around the edges it's supposed to get a little crispy before, you know, I turn it over. So they getting there. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to get so you can see. Okay. Wait a few more minutes. Just so I'm glad I ran downstairs to get the spatula though. I hope you can see. Because it's the tray is on this side over here, and so that's why I have it facing this way. But actually, next time, like the cord is down here, I'd rather have it on this end over here. But okay, let's try and flip it over. Ah, look at there! Ah, can you see that? I'm looking over. Let me get a paper plate. Well, I'll use this because my plates are actually, I found out they're not paper, they're plastic and shit. I didn't want to do that. Okay. I think we're about to have it's called a cheese chip. Okay. My biggest fear was that whether or not I was gonna, you know, the pan was enough on the one side, but I'm kind of thinking I might have that problem on the other side, but we don't see. Look at there. Ah, I did it. I kind of poked it a little bit too fast the last one, so I'm gonna turn this off. So, I'm about to try this. I think I'm done in here. I turned everything off. Yep. I'll let you know how it tastes.